Hi, my name is Cheryl Paton, and I wrote this book. It's called The Phonics Guide, A Guide to Reading and Spelling Patterns. And what this is, it's an alphabetical listing of all the letters in the English alphabet, along with common spelling patterns, blends, vowel patterns, and so forth. This book can be used both by literacy tutors and students. It's a great reference and resource book. And I'd like to show you how to use it. For instance, if you wanted to look up the letter C, you would look up the alphabetical heading at the top of the page here. And we are going to go to C. Each chapter starts off with a basic sentence. It's a sentence that can be used by the tutors, and also a good review sentence for the students that introduces the words that use this letter that's this chapter is about. So it's a great starting off point for tutors to use. And then it goes on to talk about the individual letter. So here we're going to hear about the first part about the letter C. C is the third letter of the alphabet. C is a consonant. C represents two main sounds, hard and soft, and can be silent. Hard C represents the same sound as the letter K does in the word kite. C represents its hard sound when it immediately precedes the vowels A, O, and U in the same syllable. And then there are examples of the words for hard C. So I show camel, can, cop, cot, cut, and cup. And I also have drawings, little drawings here to help the student out in giving them the main general idea of what sound we're talking about. So there's only certain times when C has that hard sound as after those vowels that I just mentioned. But if you pair C with the vowels E, I, and Y, then C will represent the soft sound, as in S. And examples are scent, cedar, cinema, city, cycle, and cylinder. So those are some common sounds for hard and common words for hard and soft C. And so that rule is A, O, and U, hard C. E, I, and Y, soft C. So those are rules that the student can use to take with them to help them decode words that may be unfamiliar to them. Also, C is used in a common blend, the CL blend. So what we're going to do here then is go to this next page that talks about the CL blends, and it gives examples. So we have class, clean, clip, clock, and club. So what I try to do is include a word with each of the different vowels so that the student can also learn the different vowel sounds, and how they differ between the words. L is also used in with a variety of consonants. So if you come back to the chapter on L, you'll find information about the letter L, but further along it will go into what the different L blends are. So there are BL blends and CL blends, which are continued over here on the next page. And then we have FL, GL, PL, and SL. So there is a variety of ways to look up information in the book. It is all alphabetically, but you can find some of the same information in different places, which can also help reinforce the information. So if you would like to find out more information and literacy ideas, I do have a couple places online that you can check that out. I have a book page on Facebook. It is called facebook.com/literacyideas. And you can also go to my blog, and it is called phoneticalphabetbook.blogspot.com. Both of these sites online will have links to this book that you can purchase online at Amazon. So I really appreciate it if you go and use my links. Gives me a little extra money and won't cost you anything more. If you have questions and comments, I recommend you go to my Facebook page. There you can ask questions and comments in the general section. You can also message me if you want to do it individually and not have it on the public page. Anyway, those are places that you can go check out, and I will be glad to help you out. I was a literacy tutor for 12 plus years. I taught mostly adult students and a few teenagers. So I'll be glad to help you out based on my experience and give you some insight and guidance on some literacy ideas and tips that might work for you. And I thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you.